Hi, I'm Zahra from Model for Teachers 1.9. Here in week 3, we want to explore some blocks. But what are blocks? As you see on the left side and on the right side of the screen, there are some boxes that show different information. Online users, comments, latest announcements, upcoming events, etc. These are called blocks. We need to add them to our course based on our needs. For instance, latest announcements. It shows what's going on. It talks about the upcoming events. It talks about the announcements about different things, and we can go to older topics and see the older announcements. Let's see what were the older announcements. Okay, the announcements are stored here. A welcome message, and on week 3, the M40 EVO19 on week 3. And then we've got the other block called upcoming events. It keeps us informed about what is going on. We are supposed to complete our group formation, and there were some live sessions like Zoom sessions. And let's go to calendar and see the other events. Okay, forming groups. Oh yeah, we've got a calendar here. And these are also like blocks. And then on the footer, we also have blocks on the footer, administration block, and we can have here on the footer right, on the footer middle, and on the footer left. Here we don't have left and middle. Let's go back to the main page. Oh yeah, badges. Our badges are seen here as well. I can see here which badges I have already earned. And on the right side, online users. It's very useful to know who is online at this moment. And comments. In addition to sending messages to each other, to all the group, we have this part in order to exchange more information and to be more in touch with each other, establish rapport, friendship, etc. I can add a comment here and then save it. It appears here. People come to answer. And then about activities. We have the links to activities on this block. To forum, to group, self-selections, to podcasts, read aloud, resources, simple certifications, and Zoom meetings. Let's see what we had on Zoom meetings. Zoom meeting could also appear in the upcoming event block, but our weekly sessions, online sessions are here. Topics, time start, sessions. The information is stored here. And for instance, in forums, we've got general forums, help desk, announcements, learning forums. We've got learning forums that we had through the course. We went to put our videos there and talk about, for example, role of manager in the school manager, Moodle manager, talk about that. In this forum, general forum, the description and then the discussions, it shows how many discussions, how many 100 posts are there, and then we can track them. Do you want to track it? You can change it to no or keep it as yes. Subscribed, if I subscribe it, any change in this forum is sent to me through email digest type. Let's see how many types are there. I can here edit it, but defaults, no digest. We may have daily digest, no digest. Default again is no digest. Complete posts, every post should I can be informed of every post through email. Subjects only the subjects are emailed to me, and again default is no digest. Okay, let's go back and see what these blocks have for us. Okay, my favorite is this one, completion progress. As I go through these boxes, I go through any activity, these boxes are ticked off, and looking at this, it gives me a sense of accomplishment. It makes me comfort that I haven't missed anything. But recently, these boxes are added here. They're try read aloud. I think these are part of the course formation and course design in teacher practice area. They have been added recently. I don't know what to do with them and what to do to tick them off. And I really enjoy tick off all these blue boxes. Okay. Again, as I mentioned, there are some footer blocks and also some header ones. We can go to these messages, personal messages, and notifications. Also, we receive these notifications through emails if we have subscribed, and if I click on this tick, it marks all of the messages as read. Okay. And what about this footer administration block? It has these links, course administration. Well, see, by clicking on it, they disappear and again they are shown. Turn the editing on. I think I've got the manager role at the moment in this part. I'm not sure. Unenroll me from Moodle for Teacher, course completion, going to question bank, recycle bin, open badges, login as somebody else. Oops. Okay. As you realize, we've got different blocks that can help us navigate our learning, navigate what we want through the course. And in the middle, we've got the course, different buttons that take us to different parts of the course. And here we've got the activities that you all know about it. Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for your attention and have a nice time. Bye.